Hi, I thought I'd just make this quick video on how to use appointment slots in regards to signing up for my tech coaching. I know last semester Mr. Kobza briefly mentioned it, so I'm just getting my calendar out there for you as teachers to be able to sign up for times where I can come and work with you or do things with your students. It's really up to you what's going to work best, or if we have a planning time and you sign up for me to come back later to actually do the project with them. It's really whatever works. So how appointment slots work is I will share the link with the calendar to you. Right now around this week, there's no appointment slots because we don't have school. So to kind of go through, you just scroll here and see. And so you can see here are the different time slots. This is the time when I have my internship students. As you go to some of the following weeks here in January, I've also added a few times during my prep time. Where I'll do that because maybe that works better for your schedule, and then I'll just take my prep time later in the afternoon, so you'll see some of those as well. But how it works is you click on a time slot, and then what I would like you to do is in the what, delete out this in part, leave the time, and simply put in your name. And then in the description, if you could just kind of briefly tell me what you're thinking we're going to discuss or you want me to do, just so I can kind of come prepared so we fully utilize our 15 minutes. So I might just say planning session for Google Slides. And then I say save. And so now you'll see that that time slot is gone. So that means no other staff members are able to pick that time. Now, let's say if you think you want me to come and do a project with you, it's going to take longer than the 15 minutes, sign up for however many time slots it's going to take to accomplish that project. There's that 15 minutes would maybe be good chunks to break it into. And like I said, if you're wanting to plan ahead, continuing on, I know this week, which you have to scroll up, I did here during my plan time, and I'll just eat my last lunch. And then on the following week, I gave that as 2 days for an option as well. Also, teachers, if it works better for you, for me to come from 12:30 to 1 or 12:15 to 1, I can definitely eat the earlier lunch, 11:40. And make that work into my schedule as well. So if these time slots aren't working, but you know that 12:15 to 1 time slot can maybe fit into your schedule, I'm more than willing to do that as well. So I mean, same thing. You just click here, take that out, put in your name, put in a brief description, and click save. So hopefully that makes sense. I'll include in my email a bit of instructions, and I will come out with the rest of the semester's calendar once I have time to sit down and look at track meets and days that I have to go out and observe my intern students. So hopefully this makes sense, and hopefully we can work together to use technology in your classrooms. Thanks.